haven't used your LOKLiK app on your phone for the iEngrave, you are really missing out. Let me show you just how simple it is to use this LOKLiK app. So I have it connected already. I was working on something. So I will go to my canvas here, and this is actually a design that I am creating right now. I have it printing. It is so simple. I'll get it back on my page here. You just go to make up here, and then you can go to the next screen here. And I can't save this right now because I actually have it printing, but you can see that it has a power speed, a generic one set there. So you can either pick engrave or fill. Right now it's set to engrave, and then you can pick custom material, and I would pick solid wood because this is a solid bamboo cutting board. And then you go to next, and you save your design, and then you start. And I can't do this right now because I am already engraving. I just can't show you both at the same time because I record with my phone. So I'll show you it as it keeps going here. It's almost done, and so I will show you when it's done, but be sure to wear your protective glasses with this. This app is so smart that it takes out of all of the stress out of it. There are no settings that you have to put in. All you have to do is select your material and start your project. So I made this design in my Canva, and so I am using this one on the end here, Grandma's Kitchen. So I downloaded that to my phone. So now I went to the LOKLiK software, and then you go to your LOKLiK Engraver and connect it. And now it's connected. So now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to my canvas. You can see I already brought this in, but I'll show you how I brought it in. So you go to upload my files, and it looks black because it is a PNG image. So you just click that, and then take the original and bring it in, and then you can resize it to whatever size you want. So then you would go to make. I'm not going to make this one, of course, because I already did. I just wanted to show you how I uploaded the image. So go to next here, and then like I said earlier, you can either engrave or fill in, and they have that choice right here. And I'm going to go to custom material, and this is a bamboo cutting board, so I'm going to pick solid wood, and then it automatically sets everything up for you, and then you can decide if you want it to do 1 or 2 passes. I only needed 1 pass with this, as long as you have it at the right height. And so then you go to next, and then you can click frame, and it will run a frame around the edge of your item that you are engraving. Your engraver, your laser will actually outline on the mat. I can't show you that because I'm recording this way. Again, that's frame, and you can see it outlining on the image here. But it also, the laser actually runs a line around what you are going to be cutting. And then you add it to the task. I have my SD card in the slot, so then you add it to the task, and you would save it, and so you could call this whatever you wanted, cutting, whatever, and then you click done. And then it uploads it actually to your LOKLiK iEngrave, the card that's in there, the SD card. So then all you do is you press cut here, you press the button here, and it's ready to go. But of course I don't want to cut that one because it's not the right size. I already cut it down here in number 3, so I am done with this. So I am going to go out and show you the finished product. It is just incredibly easy to do. So here is the finished cutting board, and it looks amazing. The app on the phone, or if you can get it on your computer, they said mid-July they should have that working as well, so that you can use it from your computer. It is absolutely idiot-proof. I just love it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.